Welcome back to Jewelry Insider, the channel where we reveal all the secrets of the jewelry industry. In today's video, we will be discussing the differences between natural diamond, lab diamond, and moissanite, and the benefits of choosing each option. So, whether you're looking for an engagement ring or just a beautiful piece of jewelry, keep watching. Section 1. Natural diamond. Natural diamonds are formed deep within the Earth's mantle under extreme pressure and high temperatures over millions of years. They are the most popular choice for engagement rings due to their rarity, durability, and long-lasting value. However, natural diamonds can be quite expensive, depending on their cut, carat weight, color, and clarity. Benefits of choosing a natural diamond include: high durability. Natural diamonds are the hardest material on Earth, which makes them incredibly durable and resistant to wear and tear. Long-term investment. Natural diamonds hold their value and can even increase in value over time, making them a great investment option. Unique. Each natural diamond is unique, with its own individual characteristics, making it truly one of a kind. Section 2. Lab diamond. Lab-grown diamonds are created using advanced technology that simulates the conditions under which natural diamonds are formed. These diamonds have the same physical, chemical, and optical properties as natural diamonds, but they are made in a matter of weeks instead of millions of years. Lab diamonds are a more affordable option compared to natural diamonds, without compromising on quality. Benefits of choosing a lab diamond include: affordability. Lab diamonds are significantly less expensive than natural diamonds of the same quality. Ethical. Lab diamonds are conflict-free, as they are not mined from the earth, which makes them a more ethical option. High quality. Lab diamonds have the same characteristics as natural diamonds, such as clarity and color, making them a great alternative for those who want a high-quality diamond without the high price tag. Section 3. Moissanite. Moissanite is a naturally occurring mineral that was discovered in 1893 by French chemist Henri Moissanite. Although it is not a diamond, it has a similar look and shine, and is a popular alternative to diamonds due to its affordability and durability. Moissanite is a lab-grown stone that is made to replicate the characteristics of a diamond, but at a fraction of the cost. Benefits of choosing moissanite include: affordability. Moissanite is significantly less expensive than natural diamonds and lab diamonds, making it a great option for those on a budget. Unique. Moissanite has a unique look and shine that is different from a diamond, which makes it stand out as a distinctive choice. Durability. Moissanite is almost as hard as a diamond, making it incredibly durable and resistant to scratches and chips. Conclusion. In summary, there are many options when it comes to choosing a stone for your jewelry. Natural diamonds, lab diamonds, and moissanite all have their own unique characteristics and benefits, depending on your preferences and budget. Remember, there is no right or wrong choice. It all comes down to what works best for you. We hope this video has been informative and helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insider tips and secrets.